All available experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, Exeter here. Today I should be going over the module Lean. This module is quite simple, but you can see there are a lot of calculations down here. But let's just get straight into it. So first we have to use this keyword up here, so in this case it's syrup, and in this case it's perp. We're going to use this keyword to see what order we should be pressing our three collected buttons, labelled A, B and C. So we have syrup here, so we're going to be pressing them in order of Chinese order. Chinese order is starting from, you can ignore this column when using this, it's not going to be like a combination of CAB and Chinese order. It's going to be Chinese order we're going to be using it, and this is the explanation of it. In if the off chance you get lean as your keyword, then you don't do any work, the answer's given straight to you. So we've got Chinese order here. We're going to start at the top right and move down the columns, and then move down each column from right to left. So we'll be ordering them like so. Going down this column, and down this column, then down this column, then down this column. So now let's find out what A, B, C and C are for this case using the capitalization of this word lean. So we have lowercase l, e, and n, and then uppercase A. First, the initial values for A, B and C are respectively the first digit of the serial number, the number of modules, and the last digit of the serial number. So the first digit of the serial number is 6, the number of modules we have is 2, and the last digit of the serial number is 9. Then we're going to figure out all the conditions are true to edit these values.
Cleared. All personnel, please return to your stations.
So, A and E are capital? No. L and N are capital? No. L is capital? No. E is lowercase. L and E are lowercase? Yes. A is capital? Yes. L and N are lowercase and A is capital? That is also true. E is capital? No. L, E are capital, so not this one. L, E, A aren't capital. A is capital? Yes. L and A are capital? No. L is capital? No. N is capital? No. It's not entirely lowercase or uppercase, so we can ignore these two. And finally, E, A and N are lowercase and L is capital, so this would just look like a normal word. Which it doesn't, so not this one. So we found our initial case. We'll get to this one if it applies. So E is lowercase, so we're replacing B with B minus 7, which is minus 5. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. And then we modulate it by 16, so adding 16 we get 11. Next one. Now this B will be doubled, so 22. Modulating that by 16, so subtracting 16, we get 6. Let me just check that, because I don't be stupid with this. Okay. Next one, we're replacing C with C over 2. Removing decimals after each step. So C over 2, removing decimals after the step, we get 4.5, so 4. This example will be 52.4. We've done 52, and then 52 mod 16 is 4. So we've done this now. And finally, A is capital. A becomes A plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. So now we have our numbers. Add 1 to your final numbers. So we have 14, 7, and 5. These are the buttons we're going to press, and we're going to be pressing them in Chinese order. So let's mark down what buttons we have. So we're going to be pressing 14, which is 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. We're pressing 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In Chinese reading order, that's going to be this one, then this one, then this one.
Hey, you got some of that lean?
And you get a sub message. Now this is actually a funny situation that we have the same keyword here. So we don't actually have to change any of this, but... Actually, we don't have to change any of it. We're going to have the same numbers for this one. So I might load up another case after this one. But perp, we're going to be pressing A, C, and then B. So we're going to be pressing A, then C, which is 5, and then 7.
You know, they called me the Purple Menace in the pharmacy trade. You know why? You know why they called me that? Because I stole all of their cough syrup. Because I love lean.
There are a lot of solve messages for this module, but I'm going to load up one more example because I got the same case, so I didn't have to do any work for that second example.
All available experts, please report to room A9.
Okay, so this one we have lowercase L and A, and then uppercase E and N. So let's see what applies this time. E and A are capitals, no. L and N are capital, no. L is capital, no. E is lowercase, no. L and E are lowercase, no. L and N are lowercase, no. E is capital, and A is lowercase, yes. L and E are capital, no. L, E, and A, no. A is capital, no. L and A are capital, no. L is capital and E, no. L is capital and A is lowercase, yes. It's not fully uppercase or lowercase, and it's not the normal word. So we only have these two conditions to ready for this one. And we have scissorp, which we're going to be pressing them in ABC order. These letters just mean pressing them as the variables are shown, so whatever you get for A, whatever you get for B, and whatever you get for C. The other two orders being reading order, which is going down the rows, and in geometric order, which is basically the same but from bottom to top instead. So, our initial A, B, and C, this time, A is 3, B is, the amount of modules is 1 this time, and C is 2. And what we're going to do, B becomes the sum of the other two, so B becomes 3 plus 2, which is 5, and then A becomes A over 4, 3 over 4 is 0.75 or 0. And that's what we have to do.
Emergency cleared. All personnel, please return to your stations.
Adding 1 to all these, 1, 6, and 3. That's why you have to add 1, because you can get 0. And we're going to be pressing these in ABC order, so we're going to be pressing 1, then 6, then 3.
I fucking love lean!
That's one of the more violent ones. But anyway, hopefully you understand how lean works. Now, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.